Hello, spirits. I need to know if you can understand me. If you can you please tell me my name? Is there anybody here that has a message for me? Am I alone, or is there anybody here with me? Are there any spirits here with me? Are you in heaven? What's your name? Can you tell me what your name is? I heard you say something, but I didn't make it out. Are you there? Where are you? Can you see me wherever you're at? If you can see me, can you tell me the color shirt that I'm wearing? What color shirt am I wearing? I need something. I think I heard you say it red. Can you say it one more time? Because I am wearing a red shirt. It's the same voice that's coming through. What is your name? Can you tell me what your name is? I hear the same voice. I'm going to go now. Do you want me to leave or do you want me to stay? Okay, I'm going to count down from 5, and after 5 I'm leaving, so if you have anything you want to say it now. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Okay, goodbye. I heard you say 1.